Nibbler's brain gets infected with parasites. He uncontrollably swallows all living creatures. Nibbler becomes sick. He vomits up an indigestible hairball. Leela rushes him to the pet hospital. The examination shows he is infected with parasites. The parasites are viciously attacking his brain. His intelligence will deteriorate to the level of a dog. They hide the medicine in his food. They trick him into eating it, but the treatment has no effect. It even becomes more serious. Everyone thinks Nibbler is finished. Even Bender starts crying loudly. Professor finds the truth. It turns out Nibbler's litter box is also infected with parasites. The professor pulls out the shrinking laser. He first tests it on the spaceship. Then he loads the insecticide onto a tank. He shrinks himself. He enters Nibbler's litter box. The next second, he arrives at the parasite camp, at the black sphere at the end of the desert. A guide leads them forward. The litter box has also bred other life forms. Zwabert discovers there are even super tiny bugs on the fungal colonies. They find graves of predecessors. The guide decides to lure out the parasites, but the parasites suddenly drill up from underground. They swallow the guide in one gulp. The terrified team immediately flees. They fall off the cliff but luckily land in the sand. Leela notices a sandstorm is approaching. They get lost in the storm. By coincidence, they accidentally discover that big black sphere. The parasite army is also drawn out. It's a massive body formed by countless parasites gathering together. They engage in a great battle with the parasite army. The splashing glitter gets inhaled by Nibbler. This makes him briefly regain consciousness. The shrunken Nibbler arrives on the scene. He jumps in to stop the war. Everyone sits together to study the problem. It turns out the parasites also have parasites inside them. This is why they attack their hosts. The parasites get rid of the parasites inside themselves. Everyone does tap dancing to stomp them to death.
Bender, stop! It's me, Zoidberg! Sorry! Can't hear you scream over the camping!
The story thus has a happy ending. Nibbler's intelligence is restored. He promptly reports Leela's contributions to the leaders of his home planet. But because Nibbler inhaled too much glitter, he keeps having hallucinations.